Houston and it's early. I wanted to record before I got to the airport, but your girl woke up like super late. I didn't pack till like 4 or 5 in the morning, so here we are. And I got lucky because it's a snowstorm coming, but I had no idea, so your girl got real lucky. So excited for Houston, and I want to take you with me. And this is the start of something new and something great. I hope you can hear me, it's pretty loud.
Last but certainly not least, in order to stay elastic cabin pressure, however, should run a curve.
About to take off. And, I'll see you guys in Houston. Guess who I'm with? Nakia. Nakia, you know. We in Houston. I'm so happy, y'all. She finna take me out. She got me going to Lotus. So we finna get some seafood. Your girl is hungry. Y'all, she get me ready for my trip. Ooh, I'm all tuned in. Houston is so pretty. I feel like a tourist for real. Like, I really do. They got an aquarium. Oh my god, y'all.
Love to talk my shit. And you must be a pussy boy if you get offended. Bitches seem to snow. They love me cause I'm cold.
We are at Lotus flower bomb. She got scrimps or whatever. Ooh, okay, twirl it around.
Get the crack sauce.
Get the crack sauce. We about to throw down. Somebody needs to hear this real quick. Life is only 20%. I mean, let's say 20 or 10. Life is only 10% of what happens to you, and then 90% of what you do about it. Do y'all hear me? Are y'all listening? It's like, bam, something bad happens to you, right? You can't control that, but you can control your next move. You feel me? Make that next move the best move of your life and continue to make them moves better. It's all about the progression, because in life, you have your ups and you have your downs, right? That's just the way life is. You cannot control that. You cannot. But what you can control is what? You can control is what? The reaction. Somebody's listening. Hallelujah. Jasx, quit fucking for real. Like, it's so important to not get down on yourself, and just don't let a bad day make you feel like you have a bad life, bro. Like, just think about another time when shit was so hard and you didn't know how you was gonna come out of that. Look at you. Out of it. You out of it.
Early.
Stop focusing on the negative. Focus on the positive.
I'm focused.
Okay, you know what? We in Houston. It's your girl's first time in Houston.
We in Houston.
Everybody gonna know.
We in Houston.
Where Beyonce at?
She ain't in Houston. But we in Houston.
We in Houston.
We turning up.
I
got my girl.
Hey.
Let's get drunk.
Hey, say what's up, Fortune. Say what's up to my YouTube. What up?
What's up?
Say you gonna get like 10 seconds, so you better make it count.
You locked in with Fortune Booming, the leader of our generation. Remember, but everything happens for a reason. Results.
Yeah, what he said.
So he still don't know. She like, what is we doing? I'm like, I still don't know.
Those bitches is miserable, girl, so typical, hating is cheap. Not my material, look where I'm at. Run back to
Guys, my Airbnb. So you come in and this is the little, you know, living area. Nice little mirror here, whatever. Ooh, squats. Ooh. Okay, bad knees, child. This is so cute. This is giving me like pink Tiffany vibes. What's out here? You open this? Oh, it's not opening. I can't see nothing. It's a little balcony. What are you cooking, Nigel?
I'm about to make some shrimp.
Ooh, scrimps.
Shrimp with
Okay, it smells so good. Smells so good. It's so cute. Oh, they got some wine. Oh, we definitely. You might as well crack that open. For real.
We got water.
They got us some water. Oh, it's purified. Purified water. Got the Wi-Fi. And I want to show y'all that. And then this is the bathroom. It's so nice. I love these countertops. That's the queen. You see it. But yeah, this is so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. Me time. This is the room. It's real basic. It's an Airbnb, you know. But it's a nice size room. This is a nice size walk-in closet.
It's bigger than my walk-in closet.
Girl, that's about the size of my damn bathroom.
Shit, my motherfucker walk-in closet. It's like from here to this door. This is my walk-in closet. I'm jealous.
Yeah, that's a nice. This is nice. Nice little size. So yeah, you guys, that's the Airbnb. I'm about to figure out what I'm putting on. These are all my bags. Y'all saw my bags. And then we gonna get cute. We gonna get cute. We gonna get cute. Pop it, pop it, pop it. All right, and I'll see y'all when I get cute. Or maybe I'll show y'all while I'm getting cute. I don't know. Stay tuned to see the final look. No, for real though. We should pop this open. This is why it's here.
You sure look at the damn document.
She said look at the document. See if it say. Why would they put wine out? For decoration? Shit, how much I paid? This better be mine. Let me ask the owner though. Cause it was on the picture. I ain't even got no wine opener. Girl, now I know this is to be popped. It's a wine opener. I swear to God, it's a wine opener in here. We're gonna pop this open. What you talking about?
I think I'm gonna do it like
Nigel's getting a white bed set down, y'all.
Yes, I am. My little filthy ass, but I think I can keep it clean.
Yeah, just don't ever get on it until it's time to go to bed.
No, I'm gonna pull it off and then.
I mean, you got white comforts. You can have a white sheet, right?
Yeah, no, not. Yeah, I can.
Nigel, hey. Hey, 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 hey. I'm about to head out. I'm allergic to. What happened? To mint. What up though? What up though? What up though? I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't wear my little glasses.
Then we going to an after party.
Hey.
Then we going to another after party.
Hey.
And then we outside.
Outside